guys, we got all our ingredients and now it's time to fix this giant, ugly slime. It's exploding. This part of the slime is so stiff. Ugh. Ew, it stinks. It smells like doo-doo.
Whoever make the biggest slime bubbles win $1,000.
3, 2, 1, get go! And today we're doing the Make This Giant Slime Pretty Challenge!
Alright guys, so I found this ugly slime in the garage and I have no idea who made it. It's giant, it's big, and it's ugly. Last time you didn't make it pretty and you kind of disappointed me.
No?
Boom!
Whoa! This looks like a poop, guys. It's literally brown. Yeah, it's so giant too. That is a giant slime.
Did you make that slime, Kingston?
Yeah, no way! Yeah, Kingston made it. I'm a slime.
Or did you make that slime?
No, I never. But actually, this kind of looks pretty nice because there's like sparkles in it and it looks like a brownie. I like the bubbles. Yeah, I like the bubbles. It's very airtight. Yeah. All right, let's fix it, Kingston. Yeah. We have to have teamwork. So no fighting, no arguing. Fine. Teamwork makes the dream work. Wait, but before we begin, we have a 5-second subscribe challenge. We want to see if you can smash the subscribe button in 5 seconds. You ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Did you subscribe? If you didn't, make sure to do it now. Okay, Kingston, what color do you want the slime to be? So I want to do like a slime swirl at the end. So I'm going to get some sky blue and I'm going to get violets. Alright. What color are you gonna get? I'm gonna get dark blue so we can mix all our colors together and at the end it will be beautiful. Yeah, and I think we should do like a fluffy slime. Alright, so then let's get some shaving cream. Oh yes, it's gonna be super duper fluffy and amazing. Alright, should we get any glitters, Kingston? Yeah, I think we should get a glitter. Maybe this blue, it looks so pretty. Yeah, and we should get silver too. Alright. And I think we should get some foam balls to make the slime really crunchy. Yeah, so your color was white and blue. Yeah, okay, perfect. We have to get a rubber ducky because rubber duckies are super cool. Yeah, and it can be like a rubber ducky in the ocean. Yep, let's get out. High five. So guys, we got all our ingredients and now it's time to fix this giant ugly slime. Yeah, alright. So Kingston, you grab one half and I'll grab the other. Okay. Rip it apart. Here we go. Alright. This slime is like slime. I know, right? It's so buttery. It's kind of the most giant slime I ever see in my life. Ew, it stinks. It smells like doo-doo. It feels like it's like very overactivated and it's not that stretchy, guys. I think we may need to put some lotion in it. Yeah, so let's get fixing. So I'm gonna squirt. Oh yeah, that's so satisfying, guys. It's literally growing. It's growing. Okay, you can try now. Okay, I'm gonna squirt a lot of shaving cream because I want to get rid of that brown color. I don't like that brown color. Okay, that's enough. And now let's mix it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, I love shaving cream. It feels like a cloud. I know, right? We never felt a cloud before, but it feels so soft. I know. And amazing. All right, let's mix it up. Hopefully this turns into like a white color so you can add our food coloring. Yeah, at least like a really light color. Whoa, that looks so satisfying. Wow. This part of the slime is so stiff. Ugh, look at that, it's so stiff. I never made a slime this big before. It can be your dad. Dad is so horrible at making slime and he can make this. That's why it looks so old and disgusting. He must have made this when he was a little kid. Yeah. But this slime is turning really really cool now. It's a fluffy slime now. Before it kind of felt like a butter slime, but now we fixed it into a fluffy slime. All right, are you done, Kingston? Or we should add more?
I think we should add way more.
Okay, then let's do it now. Go! Oh yeah, that looks so cool, guys. Whoa. Okay, here, Kingston.
Okay, I'm gonna build a great big mountain of shaving cream, taller than Mount Everest. Let's go. Oh, that's a lot of shaving cream. Wait, I just figured out something. We can make the shaving cream fart. Oh yes, that's so much shaving cream. Amazing. Whoa,
You shouldn't have done that. Yeah, you shouldn't have done that. It's exploding. No way. It's like a volcano exploding lava. Wow. But except the lava is white. That's so cool. This slime's gonna be really fluffy and huge. Because if we add a lot of shaving cream, it'll become humongous.
Yep.
Guys, look what I made. Doesn't it look like the moon? There's like holes in it, and I made like a shaving cream explode. It looks so cool, and the slime is gray, so it definitely looks like the moon. But now let's mix it. Oh, that's so satisfying. Look at the patterns it makes, guys. Wow. Oh yes, this looks so cool. It looks kind of like a panther with all of those patterns. Look at those patterns. Whoa. Too cool to be true.
Please excuse my shaving cream bottle because my shaving cream bottle appears to be farting all the time. He must have some massive carbon dioxide in him. I don't know what happened to him. Look at him. It's farting instantaneously. Like, just stop, shaving cream. Oh, it stopped. Apparently shaving cream likes to listen to me.
Ew, and look at those little circles.
Yeah. Ew, the shaving cream's like liquidy now. It's not even foamy, it's liquidy. Oh, I didn't know shaving cream could do that.
Guys, look at my slime. It's literally humongous. And it's ginormous as well. And I really like the color. It's like a light gray. It's so satisfying. Whoa. Like when I push the shaving cream, it looks beautiful. Whoa. And I just like spreading because it's really satisfying. But we have to mix it, sadly. Goodbye. Whoa, shaving cream monster is taking over. This slime's gonna be so huge. I can't wait to see what it turns out like. Wow. Before it was a poopy dog brown, but now guys, look at the color. It's like white already. I added so much shaving cream, it turned into the lightest brown ever. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my food coloring. I'm gonna add a lot because this color is very, very dark and I want the slime to be very vibrant. Yes, like look at that amazing blue. Bubbles. Whoa, guys, look at that. It's so neon and beautiful. Whoa, now let's mix it. Mix it! I want it to be a very cool blue. So get me it, slime.
Oh yeah, that's a lot. Okay, now it's time to mix it. Whoa, guys, look at that blue. It's so sharp. Wow, it looks amazing. That's really cool. Now let's mix. This slime's so giant. I never made a giant slime like this before, so it's so hard to mix. Okay guys, so this is the slime after you changed the color.
I think we did a very good job. I really like the color because before it was like poopy brown, but now it's like a really dark shade of blue.
Yeah, and before it was like so stiff, like yes, I can't even stretch it. But now look at it. Oh, so stretchy. Let's make a bubble. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, mine is huge.
Mine's small.
noodle. Here. A long one. We want some long spaghetti. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Let me help you roll.
Wow, that looks like cookie.
Okay,
monster.
you get the left side, I get the right side. 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
Go.
go, 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 go.
Okay, can you handle that much slime? No, like a lot of slime.
Yeah, it's way too heavy. Okay.
Okay, I think it's good now. Come on, swirl it.
Oh,
pretty
nice. Guys, look at the light blue and the dark blue. That's so pretty together.
Yeah.
Now it's
Okay, I'm gonna get the silver glitter.
I'm gonna get the blue glitter. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Sprinkle it everywhere, Kingston.
Oh yes, that looks amazing.
Okay, now let's add the foam balls. Foam balls.
Foam balls.
Foam balls. All right, that's enough.
Okay.
And now the rubber ducky. This is a Janice ducky.
Yeah.
And that's King Ducky. Oh yeah. I'm Jay Ducky. He's King Ducky.
Yeah.
So Jay Ducky is gonna be here.
King Ducky's gonna be here.
This is our final product. It is the ocean ducky theme, right,
Yeah.
Kingston?
Yeah, and the white bubbles are the air bubbles, so it makes it look like the duckies are floating in the ocean. Like, oh yeah, I'm on my vacation. I'm enjoying the life.
I think we did an amazing job. High
Yeah.
five.
Teamwork.
We're super proud of this slime. This might be the best slime ever that we
Yeah,
made.
now let's mix it.
Okay.
And make a bubble.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
That's so pretty, guys. Wow.
Okay, let's keep mixing it. Mix all that.
It looks like an earth, but without green.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It looks like Earth's ocean. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me do the bubble. I'm gonna
Okay.
make a ginormous bubble.
With the
for-
ginormous slime.
Okay, let's do this. Oh yes.
3, 2, 1, kick bubble!
Oh!
3, 2, 1, now!
Oh, guys, look at that bubble.
ASMR time. Good ASMR.
Yeah, that was really good.
Alright guys, whoever makes the biggest slime bubbles win $1,000.
I'm doing it first.
Janice, you go first.
Okay. I can do this. 3, 2, 1. That's it.
Oh,
no!
That's a big bubble. I don't think I can beat that.
Okay, Kingston, Janice just made a huge bubble. Do you think you can beat that?
Of course.
Alright, let's see.
Let's do this. Come on. Okay. Oh, I can tell this is going to be a big one. Oh, yes. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yeah. Look at that big bubble, guys. Do you guys think I beat her?
No, you definitely didn't.
Yeah, comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below who won. Hashtag Team Janice.
Or hashtag Team Kingston.
Definitely I won. My bubble was way stronger and it lasted way longer.
No, mine lasted way longer.
No, it didn't.
It did. You know what, Janice? I'm gonna fight you.
Oh yeah, I'm stronger than you. Slime power. So guys, watch me into the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. We'll see you all next time. Bye.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you liked it. will pop up and you get to subscribe. Click on one of the pictures to see more fun videos. Remember to like and share.